In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to signals on MetaTrader 5. Whether you're new to the platform or looking to enhance your trading strategies, subscribing to signals can provide valuable insights and potentially improve your trading outcomes. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring you understand each part clearly and thoroughly. First things first, you'll want to start by opening your MetaTrader 5 platform. This is your central hub for everything related to trading, so make sure you have it up and running on your device. Once opened, your MetaTrader 5 interface might look a bit overwhelming if you're new, but don't worry, we'll make it simple. Look towards the top right corner of your screen. That's where you'll find the profile icon. It usually carries an image or a placeholder silhouette. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This section contains vital options for managing your account and accessing various MetaTrader services. After clicking on your profile icon, you'll want to look for the MLQ5 Services Top-Up option. MLQ5 is an essential part of the MetaTrader ecosystem, as it offers numerous resources including trading signals. By choosing this option, you're one step closer to accessing a wealth of trading insights. Now, once you click on MLQ5 services, look for the Signals tab. This part of the platform offers a broad selection of trading signals to choose from. Trading signals are essentially recommendations or notifications that suggest potential trading opportunities. They are based on analyses from other traders or algorithms that help you make more informed trading decisions. Browse through the list of available signals. You'll see various options, each accompanied by different sets of data, such as success rates, history, and performance charts. You'll want to take your time here, reviewing the information provided for each signal to decide which might best suit your trading strategy and goals. After you've selected a signal that fits your needs, it's time to subscribe. Click on it to view more detailed information and confirm your choice. When you're ready, commit to the subscription. It's a straightforward process designed to enhance your trading by incorporating insights from successful strategies or expert traders. By subscribing, you're essentially telling MetaTrader that you want to receive regular trading updates based on the performance and recommendations of your chosen signal. This can be a valuable tool in your trading toolkit. Remember, subscribing to signals is not a guaranteed path to profits, but rather an additional resource that can potentially improve your trading strategies if used wisely. So, there you have it. Just open your MetaTrader 5, navigate through your profile, top up MLQ5 service,